Hello A6 and A8, it's Miss Jess bringing you your Monday lesson. I just realized, I think in some of my videos I've been just saying hello A6, so I'm sorry A8 about that. So today is Monday, January 11. I'm really hoping to see your smiling faces next week, so let's keep our fingers crossed for that. So today's math lesson, guys, is about a new addition strategy to make your adding easier, quicker, and more fluent for you, okay? So I started here with some of the strategies we already know for adding. So one strategy is to count on. And you guys are good at that. Put the big number in your head and count on. Another one we know is to draw a picture, but guys, when our numbers start to get bigger, drawing a picture is a big job and it takes a lot of time. And when I'm in the grocery store and I'm trying to add up my items that I'm buying, I don't draw a picture. That takes too long. So I'm going to teach you a different strategy that will help with that. Another strategy we know is to memorize our doubles facts. And this year we learned to use the doubles plus one strategy. Now today's strategy, and I put it in black here, is making 10 when you're adding, okay? So 10, my friends, is the friendliest number in all of the numbers we're going to learn in math class. 10 is a friendly number because 10 works well with other numbers, okay? So I always say Miss Sheila is like the number 10 because she's so friendly and she works well with others, okay? So I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's start with some cubes. And let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 cubes there. Let's start with 9 plus 4, okay? So if I'm doing 9 plus 4, I know, and let me actually slide this under here. If I'm doing 9 plus 4, I know that I'm going to have to use one of the strategies I already know. You're probably going to use the big number in your head and count on strategy, okay? So I'm going to show you, though, a different way, okay? When I see 9, I'm going to think 10, okay? Because 10, again, is a very friendly number. So if I want to think 10, I have 9 here, right, guys? I'm going to borrow 1 from my 4 to make a 10, because 10 is an easy number to work with. So now, guys, I'm left with 10 plus 3. And you guys already know all of your facts with 10. You know 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 8 is 18. You know 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so let's go back to our original number sentence here and see if we were correct. So if I were to say 9 and count on 4 times, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I get the same answer? I got the same exact answer, but I found an easier way to do it. To change this to a 10, change my 9 to a 10. Okay, let's try another one. So now let's say I have, let's do 9 again. 9 cubes plus 5 cubes 9 plus 5. Okay, if I see 9, I want to think 10. So in order to make 10, I need to borrow 1. Now I'm left with 10 plus 4. You know 10 plus 4 is what? 14. So guess what? If 10 plus 4 is 14, 9 plus 5 is, let's check. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Guys, we got the same exact answer, but we did not have to draw a picture. We did not have to count on. We just had to make a 10. Okay, so did you know that you can use the make 10 strategy with other numbers too? Let's say you had 8 plus 6. Oh boys, I'm gonna have to count on for that. Nope, let's make 10 instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's my 8, guys. And here's my 6. Okay. Now, this time, if I want to make 10, if I'm going to think of 10, watch this though. Now I need to borrow not 1 cube, but 2 cubes. Because if I borrow 1, now I've got 9, but I don't want to make 9, I want to make 10. If I borrow 1 more, I've got 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. And if 10 plus 4 is 14, 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay? This is called the making 10 strategy. Okay? Let's do one more 8. Let's do 8 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. Plus 3. So, I want to make 10. So, how many cubes do I have to borrow to turn this into a 10? I have 8. 8, 9, 10. I need to borrow 2. Okay. Now I've got 10 plus 1. Oh my gosh, can that get any easier? 10 plus 1 is 11. And if it's 11 there, it's 11 here. Okay? So I have borrowed 1 when I have a 9. I have borrowed 2 when I have an 8. The very last one we're going to do is 7. Because anything more than that, there's different strategies to use. So let's do 7 plus 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I see 7, but I'm going to think 10. Now, if I want to turn this 7 into a 10, though, if I borrow 1, I've got 8. 2, I've got 9. 3, I've got 10. So I've got to borrow 3, okay? Now I'm left with 10 plus 2. Oh my gosh, easy peasy. If it's 12 here, it's 12 here. Okay, so let's pull out your Monday worksheet. And if you have it with you right now, or you need to pause the video and go grab it, go right ahead. The first one is done for you, but I kind of want to teach you how to do it, so I'm going to skip right to the next one. Okay? So pause if you need to and go get your worksheet and let's do the second problem together, okay? So on my worksheet, guys, I don't have cubes anymore. We did it with cubes, but now we're going to do it with 10 frames, okay? So if I look at this problem right here, they're giving me 7 plus 6. See how they filled in the 10 frames? 7, 6, okay? They want us to take some of these circles and fill in this top 10 frame to make 10. Okay, we want to make a 10. So watch what I'm gonna do. And actually, I'm gonna use a marker so you see a little better. I'm gonna use a highlighter. So watch what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna cross out one circle and bring it up here. See what I did? But my 10 frame is not filled yet. Cross out another circle, bring it up here. Oops, I need one more. Cross out another one, bring it up here. Now I have a full 10 frame. I have made 10. So look what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna draw that because it's kind of messy with those circles and those highlighters. So let's just draw it over again, nice and neat over here. So here is my 10. Now, I don't have 6 anymore, guys. I do not have 6 because look, I crossed out 3 of them. How many do I have left, guys? Look, I'm circling them here. I have 3 left because the rest of them went bye-bye up here to make 10. So if I'm left with 3, oh my gosh, 10 plus 3 is 13, you know it. And if you know that 10 plus 3 is 13, guess what comes over here? 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13, but so does 10 plus 3. And which one's easier, guys? Is 7 plus 6 easier or 10 plus 3? Definitely 10 plus 3, okay? This is called the Making 10 strategy. Let's do one more together, and then you can do the back side by yourself, okay? So over here, I've got 8 plus 3. That's why I have 8 counters here and 3 counters here. But we don't want 8. We want to make 10. So let's move one of these counters, cross it out, put it up here. Oh, not done yet. It's not filled yet. Cross out this one, move it up here. Now I have made 10. So just to make it easier to see, just to make it nice and neat, let's fill in my 10 here. So now I've crossed out these guys. So what am I left with? How many counters am I left with? Only 1. 10 plus 1 is, you know it, 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, you have 3 examples now to look at if you get stuck, to turn around your page here and try these 3 by yourself. That's it for today. Only 3 problems today because it was a new concept and my video was quite long. I hope you haven't fallen asleep on my video right now, or I hope you're not doing jumping jacks or getting some donuts or something. So that's it for today's lesson. We are drawing to make 10, okay? Tomorrow's lesson is going to be the same thing. Tomorrow's lesson is just more practice. So I don't think that I'm going to make a learning video for Tuesdays, because if you need help, you can actually just watch my Monday video over again, okay? And I am going to Zoom on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, if anyone has any questions about this, we can do some together, okay? Message me if you have any questions. Again, you can always do reflex if you want some more math work to do. Have a good week, and I'll talk to you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.